In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do an overhead reverse lunge, and we're going to be doing this with body weight. So this would be the start progression for anybody that wants to start off learning overhead reverse lunge movements, because we're not doing any weight whatsoever. Of course, if you wanted to progress it, you can progress this with a barbell, a dumbbell, or even a kettlebell as well. So firstly, I'm going to take you through the reverse lunge movement. Then I'm going to bring you into the overhead reverse lunge, and we're going to put both together. Okay, so firstly, feet are going to be hip width apart. And once you've got the feet hip width apart, I want you to imagine you're looking straight forwards. So don't look down at your feet. There is a temptation when we're doing something behind the body to start doing this. We want to keep the back nice and straight. I'm going to bring one leg back. And when I do that, I'm going to come onto my forefoot and toes. So let me show you what I mean. So feet hip width apart, looking forwards, big stride back. I've come onto my forefoot and toes with that back leg. In this position, I'm going to bring the back knee down. That also bends the front leg, and I'm going to push up off the back leg to return back to my start position. Now, where the overhead part comes in is when you do that, you're going to have your hands either like so. So shoulders into flexion, forward flexion, and in this position, you're going to come exactly the same as what we did before and back up. Now, the general cues for this exercise is we want a big stride backwards. So you want to make sure that you're doing a really big stride, coming onto the forefoot and toes, coming down through that back knee, which is going to bend the front knee. And then once you're in that final position where you bring your knees down, you're then going to propel yourself back by coming and launching yourself forwards through the forefoot and toes on that back leg. Of course, you can decide to do all your repetitions on one side then the other, or you can alternate between each side with each repetition. Now, if you want to progress this, of course, choose weights. And if you want to regress this, just go to a normal reverse lunge without your hands overhead.